Alright, here we go. I'm Striker, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this Go Launcher Eclipse template that I'm sending you, so you know how to use it and I don't have to answer a bunch of questions. So here we go. First thing you do, download the file from the link I sent you and stick it in the folder of your choice, any location you want. Once you do that, you're going to right click and extract. I'm using Linux for this demonstration, but the same steps apply to a Windows machine. Anyways, and I like to rename this folder right off the bat. We'll name it Go Test Project. Alrighty, now, this is a little thing I like to do. I like to show hidden files, and I like to open this project file. You can open this with Notepad, I believe on Windows, or Notepad++. I like to change the name right here to my project. We'll go test project. Save that. This step isn't necessary, it's just something I like to do. You'll see why. Anyways, now you're ready for Eclipse. So open up Eclipse. You can go to File, New, Project, Android project from existing code. You hit Next. You're going to find where you unzip this project to. Here it is. Now, as you see, the new project name is already named Go Test Project because I just manually changed it in this with this file right here. You don't have to do this. You could always just change it here beforehand, but anyways, I like to do that. Anyways, hit finish. Alright, now your project is in Eclipse, hopefully with no errors. If you get any errors right now, it is more than likely is because you don't have the Android 4.4 stuff installed from the SDK manager. In that case, you would just open up the SDK manager. Let's do it real quick. And you would download the new Android 4.4 API 19 stuff. And you would delete the project out of here. And re-add it. If that doesn't work, you go to Properties, Android, make sure 4.4 is checked, and hit OK. Anyways, the first thing I always do with these templates is I right click on it, I go to Android Tools, and I rename Application Package, and you're going to change this to whatever name you want your app to be. For this example, we'll do com.go.test. I'm going to copy this for later. I'm going to hit OK. We're going to hit Finish. This is going to rename everything that needs to be renamed in all of these files, so you don't have to do it manually. It's going to rename it the package name instead of this your name here stuff that I put in there. And you're going to hit yes. Alright, next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this SRC folder, the source folder. You're going to right click on this and you are going to rename it the package name that I just copied. Here we go. Hit OK. We're going to hit continue. Alright, and that just renamed all the rest of the stuff that needed to be renamed, so you don't have to do it all one by one. Now, as you see, you're going to go to this res folder, you're going to go to values, you're going to go to strings, and you're going to see your theme name here, your app name here. Where you see this just means you want to enter your information for your app, for your theme. You know, whatever you're going to name, you know, your description, the name of your app, you're going to put it here. I just put this as kind of a generic placeholder thing. Same with this themeinfo.xml. you put your theme title here, you know, your description, your name, your email address, blog site, website, whatever. And yeah, I don't. Same with this theme cfg.xml file. Your name here, your name here. This is where you put your theme name, theme info. You're going to need to change this and personalize it to the theme that you're making. Other than that, you're ready to start theming, man. You know, making your images and putting them in here and making your icons. Icon wise, each icon you make, you know, we'll say example a 96 by 96 icon. That's what I make mine, the size. I put them in the XHDPI folder, and for every icon you're gonna need to add that in drawable here. You know, if you're gonna add an icon for, say, I don't know, YouTube, you gotta add another entry, you know, for YouTube, you know, like so. Oops. YouTube. And then you would save that, and you would also need to open up the app filter, and you would have to find the package name for YouTube. Here's one already because I have YouTube Added. I have YouTube added, my bad. You would have to find the package name on your phone, which I get from Quick Shortcut Maker off the Play Store. Any app you have installed on your phone, it will give you this whole code right here that you need to put into this app filter file. So say you install some random game off the Play Store. You go into Quick Shortcut Maker, you go to Application, you find that game, and it will tell you this code right here, both of them, the package name and the activity name. And pretty much you just type it in, you know. There's your drawable, you know, that's your drawable name, YouTube. You know, it has to match YouTube. And your icon has to match this name also, or it will not show up. So, yeah. When you're all done, you know, you can test it on your device by right-clicking, going to Run As Android Application, and it will install it on your phone, and you can test it. When you're ready to export from the market, you're gonna need to go to Export Android Application. Next, you're gonna have to make a key store, you know, for yourself, or you're not gonna be able to upload it to the market. So you got to make a key store. You can go on Google and search how to make that in Eclipse. It's actually really easy, but for an example, I'll use mine. You choose your key store you made, you put your password in, you hit next, alias, yes, put your password in again, hit next. You're going to browse to where you want to put this. Put in my downloads folder right now. We'll name it this. There we go. We'll name it this. Alright, name it whatever you want and hit finish. And this only takes a couple seconds to finish up. Yeah, and what it's doing is compiling and zip aligning and signing this package, and it is done. And we will go to downloads, and here it is, right here. And this is ready to install on your phone, or this is, you know, ready to upload to the Google Play Store, so you can either sell it or, you know, put it on there for free, whatever you're gonna do with it. But anyways,